Hi, I'm Lee, and welcome to my sewing room. We all know how it is with home improvement projects. You complete one project, and it points to another project that has to be done. My next home improvement project is to replace the carpeting in the bedrooms, including the bedroom that's serving as my sewing room. And I know, once I replace the carpet, it's going to make my 27-year-old sewing cabinet look really shabby, and I'll want to replace that. So, I decided to put the cart before the horse and replace the sewing cabinet first. The sewing cabinet lived in the corner of the sewing room. It can accommodate both the sewing machine and the serger, although there isn't much room for the serger. And it's definitely beginning to show its age. IKEA seems to be the go-to place for sewing furniture, so I took a little survey on Pattern Review to see what tables people were using for their sewing machines. I decided on the Linman tabletop, the Olav adjustable legs, and the Raskog utility cart. I also picked up some no-jig organizers to use in the utility cart. Once I knew what pieces I was going to have, I did a layout on paper first. I got 2 of the smallest Linman tabletops because everything had to fit within the same footprint, and I wanted to keep the 12 by 18 shelf unit. Next came the fun part, assembling everything. And finally, it was finished. Assembling the table was much easier than assembling the utility cart. All I had to do was attach the legs. Put the tables into position, load up the machines, and I was ready to go. A brand new sewing corner. Since I no longer had the storage that was available in the cabinet, I loaded everything into the utility cart. Now I understand why so many sewers and crafters have this piece. It really holds a lot. I decorated the utility cart with washi tape, whose colors just happened to coordinate with the sewing machine covers that I'd made. I seldom used my machine's knee lift because it was out of sight in the sewing cabinet. Now that it is visible, I hope to use it more often. And since I got the adjustable table legs, the tabletop is lower than usual, which places the machine bed at a comfortable height. I now have more space to the left of the serger to support the fabric. And since I'm using 2 separate tables, I was able to leave space for the shelf unit that supports my DVD player. If I stick to my plan, I'll have the carpeting installed sometime this summer. And if I'm lucky, I will have tricked the home improvement demigods, and there will be no new projects on the immediate horizon. Thanks for watching.